Today you're going to be exploring angles and how to measure them. Before we get started with this task, you're going to need to create an angle copier. This is how I created my angle copier. I got 2 pieces of paper that I cut from 1 piece of paper. They're about 1 inch wide. Then I put one on top of each other and I put a paper clip through both papers. You'll know you did it correctly when you can rotate and move your papers, creating different angles. There are many ways that you can fasten it, but a paper clip was all I had on hand and seemed easiest for me to use. Go ahead and do that. Before we get started on our task, I want to define the word angle. An angle is the rotation of one ray, which is represented by this strip of paper, away from the other. So here's an angle. All of these are different angles. And we could go all the way around 360 degrees. That's an angle. Okay, I flipped the camera on me so it's easier for you to see. When we're talking about angles, we use a bunch of different vocabulary words. We use the word acute, which means an angle less than 90 degrees. We use the word 90 degrees or right angle often. We use the word obtuse, which means angles that are larger than 90 degrees. And we even refer to 180 degrees often, which makes the 2 rays a straight line. Practice with your angle copiers making acute, right, and obtuse angles. For today's tasks, you're going to use your angle copier to find 3 different types of angles. You'll find examples of 3 right angles, examples of 3 acute angles, and 3 examples of obtuse angles. Let me show you an example. This is a picture frame right here. So I would go up to my picture frame and I measure the angle. This is a right angle. So that's what I would sketch on my task paper. You can look all around your house or even go outside with your angle copier if you do not go into the classroom. And if you're in the classroom, check in with your teacher about where you can go within the classroom or even outside to find your angles. Good luck.